हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम जा रहे हैं मीकोंग डेल्टा रिवर टूर पे एंड दिस इज़ अ फुल डे टूर। वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड। वी हैव जस्ट गॉट पिक्ड अप in the van. It's about 10 people in this van. It's a small tour and we are all going together, spend the whole day together. It's a 2-hour drive and we are going to our first stop, which is a temple. And after sitting 2.5 hours or 2 hours in the van, we have finally made it to the temple, our first stop of the day. We're just now gonna walk around and look around and show you. ये है हमारा फर्स्ट स्टॉप विंथरांग पगोड़ा। ये मीकोंग डेल्टा रीजन का सबसे बड़ा पगोड़ा है और ये डेफिनेटली बहुत ही प्रिटी है, बहुत ही सिग्निफिकेंट टेम्पल है मीकोंग डेल्टा का। सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी रिलीजियस प्लेस और बहुत ही प्रिटी है। So we were worried if we can get in with these clothes or not. I mean, inside the main temple you can't go, but outside around the vicinity you can walk around in your shorts and t-shirt. So it's easy, it's not so bad. हम बेसिकली यहाँ बाहर ही चल रहे हैं क्योंकि फ्रैंकली बहुत गर्मी है, तो हमने शॉर्ट्स और शर्ट पहना हुआ है और टेम्पल के अंदर आप पूरे कपड़े पहन के ही जा सकते हैं। बेसिकली यू हैव टू कवर योर नीज़ एंड यू हैव टू कवर योर शोल्डर्स। जो शोल्डर तो हमने कवर कर लिया है, बट मैं शॉर्ट्स पहनने के कारण अंदर नहीं जा सकती, विच आई एम ओके विद एंड आई एम जस्ट लविंग द बुद्धाज आउटसाइड हियर। And now on to the second spot. Bye. So now we have come to this place. It's like a pier, I think, for the boats. And we are waiting for the 10 of us. Okay, turn left. So we are going on one of those small river boats through the Mekong River for a tour. And we're really looking forward for it. हाय। अब हम जा रहे हैं ये बोट पे जो हमारे ग्रुप के लिए स्पेशली बुक किया हुआ है। ये ग्रुप टूर हम सिर्फ 10 लोग हैं और 10 लोग जा रहे हैं ये बोट पे। हमें सब जगह आज पूरा दिन ये बोट में बिताना है, तो मैं आपको लेके जाऊंगी हमारे बोट टूर पे। आइएगा हमारे साथ। देखिए सब हाय हेलो बोल रहे हैं, हेलो बोलते हैं और हम अपनी जगह लेके बैठ जाते हैं। And we are on the boat. तो अब हमारे टूर गाइड हमें पूरा डिटेल्स दे रहे हैं कि हम कहाँ जाएंगे, क्या खाएंगे, क्या पिएंगे, क्या देखेंगे, कैसे देखेंगे, कहाँ बैठेंगे, कहाँ टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे। ये सब हमें डिटेल्स हमको बता रहे हैं, तो हम बेसिकली प्रिपेयर हो जाए पूरे दिन के लिए। एक आधे घंटे का बोट राइड है, तो यहाँ से हम जाएंगे एक गांव में जहाँ पे हमें देखने को मिलेगा लोकल लाइफ कैसे जीते हैं, क्या क्या होता है। बेसिकली कोविड में कैसे लोग अपना खुद का खाना ग्रो करते थे और कैसे फिशिंग करते थे, ये सब हम बेसिकली गांव वाला जो सीन है वो हम देखने वाले हैं। लोकल्स का जो सीन है वो हम देखने जा रहे हैं। मैं जब तक हमारे गाइड को सुनती हूँ, आप ये ब्यूटीफुल नज़ारा देखते रहिएगा।
Not you, her. Careful there, Cookie.
Please be careful.
Yeah.
careful. This is where we have come. This is the dock and that's the boat. ओके तो यहाँ पे हमें बता रहे हैं कि ये बी फार्मिंग के बारे में, रॉयल जेली के बारे में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हमें पता भी नहीं होती, वो उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं. बीज आर सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट. हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि बी हाइव्स को मत तोड़ना. इनफैक्ट यहाँ पे बीज को हार्वेस्ट करते हैं, विच इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग. Okay, so this island is fully sufficient. You have all your fruits and veggies and everything from chiku tree to pomelo to oranges to every single thing. And that's why we are gonna have some taste of honey. और यहाँ पे हमारे गाइड जो हैं हमारे ग्रुप को बता रहे हैं कि बी हार्वेस्टिंग कैसे करते हैं, क्यों इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट है एनवायरनमेंट के लिए, और क्यों लोगों को बी हाइव्स तोड़ने नहीं चाहिए, क्यों बीज हमारे ह्यूमन काइंड के लिए इतने इम्पॉर्टेंट है, विच इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू नो एंड वन शुड रीड अबाउट इट. यहाँ पे सब बी हाइव से basically honey try कर रहे हैं and it's time for me to try some also. Okay, so this place has everything and the best part is obviously the bees. Look, they have these kinds everywhere. So this place is amazing for the world, isn't it?
Yes.
So यहाँ पे डिफरेंट टाइप्स के हनी हैं. यहाँ पे बनाना सोक करके रखा हुआ है, हनी में बहुत सारी डिफरेंट चीज़ें सोक करके रखी है. सो बेसिकली इफ़ यू वांट टू ट्राई इट, यू कैन ट्राई दैट. एंड वी आर बेसिकली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू गोइंग एंड हैविंग सम टी with their special jasmine tea with some honey. So let's go and have some. So after partaking in all those wild animals things, hi, thank you. We're gonna have some honey tea.
Hi, this is your lamb. Come what?
Okay.
I told you it's lime, man.
And what is that?
This is a bee pollen.
Oh.
Yeah, chutney tea.
Okay. That looks very yummy.
You try stir.
Thank you.
You try stir.
Thank you.
And this is a banana and ginger.
Okay. Thank you. We are going to try.
Ginger. Yeah, ginger.
Yeah.
This honey you keep as long as possible.
Okay.
You keep longer, it's better quality.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is very yummy.
Cheers.
Cheers. Well, thank you.
Sorry, I already had a shot.
No, good.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So good.
Lamb. Beef Poland.
And then we
Fried
eat
banana.
fried crisps, banana, and we got a takeaway. We bought honey. This is probably the real deal. And back in
No processed, no
yeah,
sugar.
I mean, I don't know what processed foods we are having back home. It's just better to take honey where they make it.
Yes, made here, huh?
Yeah.
Honey here. Made on the island.
So we're very excited. We bought honey, and I think it's probably one of the most common things that people are buying here, at least in our group.
No. You want more?
No. So I've had like about at least 7 of these. And we have to go and have lunch now. So we're not gonna have any more and we can leave fatafat. So I don't have any more tea. Okay, so we are back on the golf cart. I don't know where we are going next because we have no idea. हम basically यहाँ पे घूमे जा रहे. They're showing us the island and it is very interesting how small the island is, but there is everything you need here. It's self-sufficient and that's amazing. We are finally going on that boat ride. What we really did this tour for. We are finally going on that. And look at them, they're playing football with the pomelo. Wow. Okay.
Oh no, we're going on that.
Oh no, we are going on the electric car, yaar. When is the boat ride, Janu?
Electric car is one of those golf carts, man.
Yeah. We bought one of these topis last time and we just couldn't take it on the flight. It was just, we couldn't put it in the bag, you can't put it in your handbag, you can't put it on the head all the time. It's just so tough to carry those topis around. अब हम यहाँ के लोकल आर्टिस्ट से गाना सुनेंगे और म्यूज़िक सुनेंगे. यहाँ पे बहुत सारा एंटरटेनमेंट होगा और फिर यहाँ पे लोकल फ्रूट्स जो ग्रो होते हैं वो उसका टेस्टिंग कराएंगे. सो हियर वी आर लिसनिंग टू सम ग्रेट म्यूज़िक, सम लोकल म्यूज़िक एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू हैव सम फ्रूट. Thank you. And it's raining. Exactly what we didn't want. And it starts raining and pouring and like crazy when we're supposed to go on the boat. Uh-oh. I don't know how this is going to play out. I hope we can take videos and photos on the boat, but let's see. They're taking us. So let's see what happens.
Huh?
Okay to do it in the rain.
We come there first. If you have been winning, we can wait.
तो बेसिकली हम ये छोटे से रिवर पे जा रहे हैं ये पैडल बोट में इन द मिडल ऑफ जंगल. इट इज़ अमेजिंग. यू कैन मेक सच अमेजिंग मेमोरीज. इट्स वेरी वेरी नाइस एंड हम्बल प्लेस. इट्स हॉट एंड इट्स ह्यूमिड, सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड. बहुत गर्मी होगी तो वेयर वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल क्लोथ्स. वी आर पुटिंग ऑन आवर टोपी बिकॉज इट्स रियली हॉट. I know the rain just made it worse, but we are going to enjoy our boat tour and you also enjoy with us. This lady is 70 years old. Wow. And she's managing this whole boat alone. Hi, cutie.
I love my hat, don't you?
I love it. Aren't you hot in that hat?
A little bit. You're having a good time there, I tell.
And then we are back. That was a nice trip in the Mekong. Oh, finally. Well, it was a bit short, I think, isn't it? It could have been a little longer.
Yeah.
It could have been longer, but इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा. little bit longer. I don't know if you can hear me in this noise, but I think we are going for lunch now. There's a lot of times we have gone in and out of the boat on this tour. Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh. Okay, wow. We need to really focus on this
Yeah,
one.
maybe put that camera away.
Yeah.
Let me get it.
No, raga, io non ce la faccio.
I'll go and I'll go.
Careful. Oi. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah. So we managed that pretty well. I don't know what they're filming, but let's see. Oh, it's, I think, those fishes. Look at those.
You see one on top there?
Yeah. You see those fishes? There's so many of them. I don't know what they are called, but yeah. Oh, we are going to Coconut Candy Land. This is where we are going. Coconut candy. By the way, I love coconut candy.
I don't think I've
sorry.
had it.
So basically the Delta has many small companies that produce coconut candy, which is a very sweet experience, and I think it's really cool. Oh, he did it. My husband is the bomb. He's amazing. We're so confused, we don't know what to buy.
Yeah? This one?
Over here, come here.
Malt with coconut milk. That becomes sticky.
Yes. Yeah, you see. Yeah, then it over there and wrap in here. Yes, see, huh? Yeah, this one, huh? Yeah, they wrapping with rice paper. Yeah, try.
Mm.
Eat with rice paper.
Oh, eat it with
You eat
it?
the
Yeah,
paper,
yeah, yeah.
They
Oh.
make the noodles in that as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What do you have? Have it all.
No sugar, huh? Just fresh milk and malt.
Wow.
Nice.
That is so good. We have found our favorite thing in the world, coconut ice cream. They have all these candies and so many things to buy. You know, we buy so much all the time, but we always waste it. So either we don't waste it, but we give it away, and then I don't know if those people eat it. So this time we made sure we're not going to buy any candy, anything at all. Just when not needed, don't buy it. Finally, हम Coconut Island खत्म करके we are going back on the boat once again, and now I hope we are going to have lunch because I'm very hungry. बहुत ही भूख लगी, इतना हमने मिठाई खाया है. Like we've had so much coconut candies and ice cream that we need some spicy food now. Oh. What happened? Where are they? There you go. Okay, we're gonna cross and get on the boat. My love, what did you think about this trip?
Fun. But wanted to be on the canoe more.
Yeah, he would have wanted to be on the canoe more. I think it was really short. They should increase it to like 3 rounds around that area. But now we're gonna go have lunch and we are famished. We want to eat and eat. Everyone's tired also. Everyone's looking so tired. Finally खाना आ गया and here there are so many options. Fish है, chicken है, prawn omelette है, spring rolls है, rice है, पता नहीं कितना सारा खाना ला के रख दिया है टेबल पे. मैं डेफिनेटली अभी खाने जा रही हूँ. अगर आप वेजिटेरियन हैं तो आप इनको पहले ही बोल सकते हैं बुक करने से पहले कि यू आर वेजिटेरियन और वो लोग अपने वेजिटेरियन ऑप्शंस आपके लिए रखेंगे. सो डोंट वरी, देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ फूड एंड अमेजिंग फूड. Okay, so that was a pretty decent meal and look what I found here. Chiku tree.
Chiku tree.
I want Louis to eat a chiku, but I hope we can find one. Anyways, he's never eaten a chiku, so I want him to eat a chiku. And it's a brown fruit. Anyways, the food was amazing. They had chicken soup, they fried rice, prawn omelette, morning glory. I don't know what it is called here, but in Thailand it's called morning glory. Then they had fish, they had spring rolls, they had a lot of things. So it was really good food. Very, very, very nice food. We ate a lot. I think this is another tour and this is filled with people. And the clouds are coming in. My husband's taking photos and videos. But yeah, I think there's rain coming in. Perfect end to the day. We have coconuts for us. You don't like coconut, do you? But you should drink. We are going to drink coconut. My husband generally doesn't drink coconut water, but this one is so good. He couldn't say no. और फाइनली हम लास्ट में बैठ गए हैं फॉर द लास्ट टाइम ऑन दिस बोट, क्योंकि हम जा रहे हैं बैक टू द वैन और बैक टू द होटल. बहुत ही लंबा दिन था, बहुत ही अच्छा दिन था. ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक सबको ये एक टूर करना चाहिए. इट इज़ अ लिटिल लॉन्ग, सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड. मेक श्योर यू आर वेयरिंग द राइट क्लोथ्स, द राइट शूज़, क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी है और बहुत ही पसीने छूटने वाले हैं. सो मेक श्योर यू आर वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल. बट दिस ट्रिप इज़ वर्थ इट एंड यू विल रियली एन्जॉय इट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एवरीवन. आई होप यू एन्जॉयड दिस वीडियो. बहुत ही मन लगा के, दिल लगा के ये वीडियो बनाया है. सो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. सेंड दिस वीडियो टू एवरीवन you know. Bye. Thank you.